Hey guys, I wanted to come on really quickly and talk about Nailboo. So I finally took the acrylic off of my nails because my right hand started to grow. As you can see, I have a little bit of a tip on there now. So I took off the acrylic and I have now replaced the Nailboo on my nails. So this is the Velvet Lust. You guys know this is my favorite of all time is the Velvet Lust. And if you followed me for a while in reference to my nails, you will know that my left hand grows really, really good, as you can see, but my right hand wasn't growing as quickly. It was actually giving me a bit of a struggle. So what I had to do, or what I did, is I used the acrylic um, application for almost a month. And then I finally took the acrylic off because my nails had grown out. And um, I went back to Nailboo. I came on here to tell you guys that have been following me in reference to Nailboo. I came on here to tell you because I know you don't order the essentials from Nailboo every month or 2 months because this is supposed to last you for quite some time when you get a kit. And so I wanted to tell you that Nailboo has switched over to the little glass bottles. Listen, no more plastic. Oh my God. So I was really excited to see that they had switched over to the glass bottles because for some reason I thought the plastic wasn't doing the best it could with maintaining or keeping the application like it should, but that's just my thought. I don't know nothing about that stuff, but I like the glass bottles better. So I wanted to come on and show you that Nailboo now has the bottles. So you can see this is number one. This is the base. Let me see if you guys can see that. Might have to move this light a little bit. Let's see. There you go. So this is number one. This is the base. And then this is number two, the activator. And then number three, which is your top coat. Let's see if you guys can see that. Your top coat. There we go. And then last but not least is your cleaner. Now, this is number four. And I want to talk to you guys for a minute about the cleaner. The cleaner is to clean your brush for your top coat and your base coat. You don't need it for the activator. The activator never gets clumpy, but your base and your top coat can get clunky. And what I mean by that is the application will begin to, I'm not as strong as I used to be, y'all. So the application will get clunky on your brush and it won't be a smooth process like it should be. So you see how nice and smooth that is on my brush. It's not all clunky and stuff like that. So that's the way it's supposed to be. So what I highly recommend and what has worked for me is to, when I finish an application, I will take the brush out of the base and replace it with the cleaner brush and take the cleaner brush and put it into the base bottle. And that way you can clean your brush in between applications to try to help avoid it from getting clunky. If you're just continuing to use this base coat or your top coat without cleaning in between, then chances are it's going to get really clunky and sticky like onto your brush. And you don't want that to happen because the application is not going to adhere well to your nails. So you want to make sure that you are cleaning the base coat brush and the top coat brushes in between applying your applications. But I am so excited about Nailboo now having little glass bottles with the application in here. For those of you that are not familiar with Nailboo or the dip process, this is a home-based dip kit that you can purchase from Nailboo. I will put my referral link in the description for this video here. And if you want to see how to do the application, then there is a video on my playlist on my channel, and it's under nails, and you'll be able to find the entire process of me applying the nails, or not applying the nails, but applying the dip to my nails, because I don't have any tips on. Okay, these are my own little nails. Okay, so I just have the application directly onto my nails. Now, Nailboo does sell the tip along with the glue for you to actually, apply a tip if you choose to. I prefer not to. I'm just trying to grow my own nails. And like I said, this left hand has been amazing, as you can see. But this right hand was slow going, but now you guys can see I got a little bit of a tip coming through, which is a lot better than what it was. So I'm going to work with this now that it's beginning to grow. Also, how to remove the application. I have a tutorial on there how to remove the application. Now, I probably will, because I don't think I have, but there is a process that you can do where when you get ready to remove the application, you just take a little plastic bag and you put a paper towel, fold it, and put the paper towel inside of the plastic bag, and then pour a little bit of the 100% acetone onto the paper towel that's inside the plastic bag. And then you're going to take a bowl, get some water, maybe put it in the microwave, or you can run some hot water, but you want to get it kind of warm, lukewarm, not hot, not scorching hot, okay? But get it kind of warm. And then you're going to take and place the plastic bag inside of the warm water, and then take your hands and put them in there, and you're constantly rubbing your hands, your fingers back and forth onto the paper towel with the acetone on it. And what it's going to do is the heat from that warm water is going to make this the acetone is going to help. It's going to help the acetone to get the application off of your nails. Okay, so bowl, warm water, plastic bag, paper towel inside of the plastic bag. It's better to fold it. Pour a little bit of the acetone. It doesn't have to be soaking wet, or just enough to wet the paper towel. And then take the paper towel and the plastic bag, sit it inside of the warm water, and then place your hands down in there. And trust me, no more than 10 minutes, the application will be off. Okay, so I haven't done a tutorial on it, but it's pretty quick based on what I just gave you on how to remove the application. Now, I will tell you, the acrylic was Satan. It was from hell, I tell you. It was so hard getting that acrylic off, and I do not and will not be putting acrylic back on my nails. Jesus, please don't let me. Anytime soon. Everything I tried, it took forever to get that stuff off. And so I will not be using the acrylic anymore, because I just don't do well with removing it. That's probably how I messed up my nails in the first place. But I did put like a little bedazzle on the middle finger. But yeah, so this is my Velvet Lust, which you guys know is my favorite of Nailboo. But like I said, Nailboo has now switched over to the bottles. So I'm hoping that the application does a lot better in the bottles than it did in the little plastic container, or little plastic ones. But we got glass now. Nailboo is moving on up. But again, for those of you that follow me, thank you so much. I'm not giving up on Nailboo. It just took me a minute. I did a tutorial on how to apply the acrylic and why I was using the acrylic for a hot second. And then I was like, I may go back to Nailboo or another dip powder, but I'm a Nailbooer. I don't know if that's the way you see it. And they don't sponsor me. I do this on my own. So I'm telling you from my own personal experience about Nailboo. Okay. What I like, dislike, I will share that with you. But I, so far, have enjoyed using Nailboo. And for those of you that are new to seeing me talk about Nailboo, Again, there is a video on my playlist up under nails, and you can see how to apply the application. If you can polish your nails, if you can paint something, just take a paintbrush and paint something, then you can do Nailboo. Okay, it's very easy. It's at home. It's safe. You don't have to worry about upcharges. You know, they have all types of colors that you can purchase from them. A kit is about $50, but if you use my referral code, they give you like $10 off or 10% off or something like that. And what else? It's supposed to last you up to 3 weeks. Now, I'm a girly girl, so I normally don't keep nothing on my nails for 3 weeks. I'm normally 2 weeks and it's got to come off and I'm ready for another color. But I could go longer. I have found that I could go longer, but it's just me wanting to change to another color. And one of the things that I did learn, guys, is that when you're using dip powder, that you can put acrylic nail polish on top of dip powder. So instead of using the color, this is the build powder. But like if this was the color, instead of using the color, you would do everything else. But instead of using this color, whatever the color is, you would use acrylic nail polish to polish your nails and then finish up with the top coat. You would still do the build powder, but you just wouldn't do the color. Okay, you would use the acrylic nail. Now I haven't tried it. Okay, if anyone has tried it, chime in the comments and let us know. But I haven't tried it. I said I was going to try it, but then I went and put my Velvet Lust on because I'm going on vacation and I'm trying to look cute. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys, that Nailboo has upgraded their product and put it into little glass bottles now. And I used these bottles this time when I did my nails and everything went smoothly. I highly recommend in between applications that you go ahead and switch out the brush for your base liquid and also your top coat, because those two will get sticky and thick on the brush and then your application is not going to set well. So I've already changed out the cleaner for the top coat on this one. And so you see how nice and smooth that brush is with no clunkiness. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to replace it with the top coat because I've already did the base. So now I'm going to take the top coat and I'm going to now place the top coat brush. I always drop something. Now into the cleaner, leave it, and then I'm going to be taking, once I pick it up over here, I'm going to make sure I don't get nothing on there because it fell on the floor. So now I'm going to take the top that was on the top coat and I'm going to put it inside the cleaner, vice versa. You guys know what I mean. But I would highly recommend to do that because for some reason when you don't, it will start to thicken up and your brush will just be hard. And I'm telling you, the application will not set like it's supposed to. And it's not going to be all smooth and pretty, like it's supposed to be. So no clumps and bumps and stuff like that. And I like Nailboo because it's not thick. Even though I do 2 coats of the build powder and 2 coats of color, it is not thick. It is not thick, but it does protect your nails and keep them nice and hard so that they won't break and chip and crack and all that good stuff. All right, so that's it, guys. I just wanted to come on and tell you that. If you are interested in how to do Nailboo, then go to my playlist. And for those of you that follow me in reference to the Nailboo, don't give up on me. I'm still here. And as I learn new things, I will continue to share them with you because, again, I'm teaching myself how to manage my nails. And, so far it's going pretty good. I'm just trying to get this hand up and running to catch up with the left hand. That was so crazy of me, wasn't it? What is this, Doris? There's something wrong with me. It's something wrong with me. Y'all pray for me. Okay. Y'all pray for me and I'm going to pray for you. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. If you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you're seeing me for the first time, I have tons and tons of videos on how to do your nails and also on crafting if you're interested in crafting. So please check out the playlist on my YouTube channel, and it will break it down to make it nice and easy for you to find whatever you may be looking for. Also, if you're currently a member of my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I love you guys. And I love my group because they're very supportive. So anything you need, you ask questions about anything that anybody, any crafting that someone posts in the group, people are willing to share with you and tell you how they did it and how you can do it and so on and so forth. And that's what I like, because knowing is growing. I just thought of it, guys. This is brilliant. Knowing is growing. Anyway, so yeah, so thank you guys for being members to my Facebook group. If you're interested in joining my group, it is Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. We'd love to have you. It is a closed group, private group. So yeah, you do have to request to join the group. I do not want to make it public, okay? Because we want to try to keep it family, a family feel to the group. What else? I think that's it, guys. I just want to come on and tell you about Nailboo. And I have now put the Nailboo back on. Oh, look at my Nailboo and my Velvet Lust. I love Velvet Lust. I love this color. Like, I absolutely love it. Um, but yeah, anything else I come up with about your nails and how to maintain them yourself and get out of the nail salons, I will continue to share that with you guys to keep you safe and in the comfort of your own home so you can save that money. Keep that stimulus check. Oh, did I say that? I'm sorry. Yeah, keep that money, guys. Keep it in your pockets. Okay. All right, guys, that's my story. I'm sticking with that. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an awesome, awesome day.